What's going on, y'all? Hope you guys are having a good day. I'm here with MVP.
Today, Junior!
MVP Mobile Detailing. You know what it is. Be all up in the game. Little quick information. I went and bought a drag pack, and it's too small. And I'm not doing the conversion, so they're getting sold. Someone's gonna come look at them for $1,100. They were Jags, came with black center caps, brand new front tires, and then the rears had 2 passes on them. They're all Mixie Thompsons. But yeah, they're 15 inches. So I'm gonna look for a rear weld beadlock drag pack. I don't need the front skinnies, but hopefully we can find them in a 17 inch. So go ahead. We're going to Dayton Cars and Coffee. My car's been sitting in the garage for like 2 weeks. So I gotta get it wiped down, and I'll catch you on the road. All right, y'all. So we are on the road. We are about 21 minutes away. My Instant 360 turned off, so I'm not getting any footage right now on the way there. There is a little bit, but not a lot. But I will get some on the way back. So those will be pretty fire. But I'm gonna do a good amount of footage while I'm there. Pretty much first car meet of the year. We're going cruise this last 20 minutes, and then I'll get back to y'all when we get there. Well, y'all, something is going on with my car. So I can put it in gear while the car's off, but while the car's on, I don't know, that's weird. All right, y'all, so right now I'm at the conclusion. So if I put my foot on the clutch, I can go through gears just fine, but I put my car neutral, nothing. I don't really understand, but if I turn my car off, so I'm a little lost. I don't know, y'all let me know. I'm probably gonna have to get the car trailer home. Sucks. We're gonna go walk around here.
Well, the engine.
I forget what happened. I think like his sister called him and started giving him grief. He got pissed off. And because he's just like
He's crazy. He's coming to. So I don't give yet. I have a pizza shop. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can find the others. What? I'm about to put some money in it. I got a horse.
These things are fast. I'm pretty sure my clutch went out.
I can't even pay for it. I'm so pissed. I couldn't get one if I wanted to.
Sell it? Sell it and buy that bitch?
big.
I like the wing on these. I never noticed these things were a lot wider.
Yeah, they are wider in the rear.
I never noticed that. I like the wheels.
Well, is she thick?
Dude, the carbon wheels go crazy on these cars too.
We're going toward the highway right now.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, my fire pit, I'm on the front too. Okay.
I believe the SRT pulled out.
Dude, I miss mine. I miss mine. Dude, even the paint's like super clean.
Well, it needs a little polish, but
Yeah.
I saw the back right.
Dude, the GoPro makes filming so much easier. Definitely just these things are fast.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, my fire pit, I'm on the front too. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can find those.
Well, the engine.
I forget what happened. I think like his sister called him to try to give him grief. He's all pissed off. And because he's just like
He's crazy. He's coming to. So I don't do it yet. I have a pizza shop. Next
What you know about it?
conclusion that I'm pretty sure my clutch took a poop. Which is weird. It only has 33,000 miles on it. I mean, either way, I've been wanting to throw a twin disc make a load clutch in here so I don't have that lockout issue, but I really wasn't wanting to do it now. I guess it's giving me a sign to do it anyways, but it sucks.
Yep.
Why it didn't just happen closer to the house.
We're pulled over to the over by the gas station. What a surprise.
Y'all, go hit them up. They're good. They've done a couple of my stuff on my cars. Stressing. Y'all really need to go cop some merch. Just saying. Again, go hit up Mike's Motorworks. They do a lot of my stuff. They threw my roof wrap on, and they done the clutch on my Eclipse and all, so they're good.